Righto, the village we're about to do a tour on in this specific area will be demolished as part of the Angkor National Park relocation program. The families that live there will be moved to a more modern area north of Siem Reap. None of the houses in these villages have hard titles and are sometimes very poorly constructed. However, I believe it shows a culturally significant community way of life which exists in Cambodia, which will disappear once these places are gone. Right, so we've just had a look at the house, and you would have seen that in the last video. Let's go and have a look around this little community here and see if there's anything interesting, and you can kind of get an idea of how locals live here in Siem Reap. So this was the house that we just had a look at, Mong Nyao's house. There, everyone's inside having a drink and a bit of lunch. Well, let's go down this way, see if we can see what's happening behind. So here's another house here. Does that look like asbestos? Let's just call it asbestos. It literally just pissed down. Absolutely just pissed down so far. And it is a little bit better now. Which way did we go? Down here. Someone's drying their cocaine on the door. It's good. That's right, we went down here. You come around the back. So this is the, I don't know how long these houses have been here, but I suppose something to note is there's no hard titles around here. So if you want to sell a house, they're only a couple of $1,000, but you could be upended at any moment. Jimmy took us for a walk before, because this place, as you could probably note, would absolutely flood when it pisses rain, and whilst he was locked down here, he'd come and he dug out this massive drainage pit all the way through the jungle back there, and dug a stormwater pit. This was about 500 deep, and it's now full. And he said, please don't show this because it upsets him that it's now full. But let's keep going around the back here. So here's the back of some houses. Oof. It's very silty. Just, like the rain drains away okay, but my gosh, it just leaves this yuck muck. It's got another house here. This is a very traditional Khmer house. There's a little thing out at the front. It's probably houses the remains of one of the relatives. It goes right back. There's a big water area. Let's go have a look at the big water area back here. This is probably where all the water drains after it pisses down rain. Back of the house, see how the guys are catching water with all the buckets straight off the roof. They're all full too. That's a shit house in there, and here's a murky pond. Bloody hell, it keeps going back. This is jungle, people. Bloody magnificent. So this, I don't know, someone's backyard. Let's keep wandering through, making sure we avoid stepping on any red bitey ants, which I can't say I've been successful at avoiding because they got me before absolutely beautifully. Have a look here, this is a banana tree. Check this out. Bloody bananas. Little ones, that's cool. Look at the big flower. These massive leaves. Freaking fantastic. Yeah, there's the water storage. That looks like that'd be a bit intrusive, I think, walking through someone's lounge room. Let's go around. Yeah, how quiet is it through here? You wouldn't know that, yeah, Angkor Wat's like a few hundred meters, whoosh, bang, that way. So we've got another house. There's another bathroom there. There's another one. A couple of traditional Khmer houses. Free range chooks, little veggie garden, which is very cool. Yeah, there's someone's place there, up on the stilts. Nice paved area out the front. Hopefully getting a bit more grip when it pisses down rain. There you go, here's one for Claire. There's a kitty. Hello, kitty cat. Meow, 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 meow. Good job. Let's keep going back. Haven't seen a person yet. Oh, here we go. It's a dude having a chill out in a hammock. Near someone else's backyard. See, there's no real like borders or anything. You just sort of keep walking. And my gosh, it is just, there is just no drainage here. If all the water just goes to the shallowest point. And Jimmy tried really hard to make sure the water got out of this little community, but a lot of work for one bloke, albeit he was here for a long time. Check this out. This is another, what's that, fruit area? Sorry, not fruit area. Animals. So they're probably breeding chooks or hens or something in there. Some more veggies and things grown over there. Something in the bush here too. There are snakes here too, I've been told. So we won't be going too far foraging. This kind of looks like a bit of a dead end here. Let's go back around, see what else we can find. My nice Mick Fanning thongs are about 2 kilos more heavier with the dirt that's welded itself to the bottom of my shoes. Looks like there's a bit of a clearing over here, a bit of daylight. I can hear some voices too. Pumps? What are they? Pumps or something? Some vehicle parts? Don't know. Can't tell. You can't see. Can't talk either, mate. Another big Khmer house. And see on the front they've got the numbers painted on it. Number 16. So this is a big community. Ah, you fucker. Number 16. I don't think Bong Nial's house was number 4. There's number 17. There's a little road back to the main drag. And this keeps going down and down and down. How good. Bit of a clearing over here too. A place where people are sitting. I think literally I am just walking through people's front yards here, so I do feel a bit iffy. Remnants of a rubbish fire. That'll be another rubbish fire in there. It is so steamy in here too. Got some more banana trees. They are bananas, aren't they? No, they're just bloody trees. Mate, this is great vlog content. They're just bloody trees. Some sort of fruit. What's going on here? Are they, what's the name? I'll show Kinal, she'll tell me what it is. What are those things? What is growing on those trees? It's in a spot where I think it's deliberate. There's a puppy! Ah, look at the puppy. It's a village puppy. Oh, he's a scaredy puppy. So stay. Hello. Jakai Kamau. Your dog?
Yeah.
Ah, Chmoe?
Tony.
Bunley.
Yeah.
Manchanam?
My name's Tony.
Ah. Hello, buddy.
Yeah.
Susday. Say sabok. He looks very young.
Yeah.
It's art. I couldn't. There's a Grutchama. Groit. There you go. What's all this over here? What's this pipe area? Looks like a well. Pipes and things. There you go. I don't know what else to show you. Yeah, this is what it's like. This is almost bloody jungle-esque, isn't it? Well, it is. Look around. It's the freaking jungle. What do you want? It's a nice spot to have a beer. That's good. Let's go back to the house. Past this carcass of an old Honda motorbike. Poor thing. Hey, have a look at this garden here. This must all be edible stuff, surely. Plants. This guy's got a beer garden. How good's that? Joshua, do you remember the beer garden you and Nathan made? Yeah, I'm sure you did. Here we are. I don't think commentary's needed. I think I'll just shut up and walk back to the house with the mud and the bitey things. Silt. Oh, that sounded lovely. Oh, that is a pungent smell through there. A couple of free-range chooks. Good job, chooker. Someone's barbecue. Another mosquito breeding ground. They're quite fond of those. Here you go, something interesting. Check out the tyre and the decoratage that's been done to this tyre to make it appealing to put a plant in. Kinal wants to do that at home with a couple of old tyres I've got, but I need them to transport engine blocks. So that's a no. But that is pretty, like, that's a good way of recycling, and I think that's pretty cool. There's a few more here too. Remind me to take a picture of that. And we're back to the house. So there's a quick walk around the community where Kinal's sister Bong Niao lives. And I don't know what to say. It's interesting. I think it's interesting. I hope you find it interesting as well. We'll see you in another video, and I'll probably take you through some other places in Siem Reap. Until then, catch you later.